Alright, today is day one, technically day two of our house renovation. Well, not renovation, kind of like the exterior. Make it look nice thing. Get rid of that door, it looks a piece of shit. I had to bring a hose in from the inside because we don't have outdoor water for the pressure washer, so that's going to be helpful for them. They're going to take off all the hooks and crap around the house and stuff like that, so I already got the shutters off. But this is day one, prep. There's the shutters over there. They gotta do the gutters. They're gonna repaint the entire house. And then, yeah, it's gonna look good. It's gonna look very nice, hopefully when it's done. Especially like this stuff up here, like that's all rotted out. They gotta get rid of that. So, well, it's the end of day one. They pressure washed the side of the house. They got rid of some of the, chip paint, whatever. Man, there was a lot of chip paint. Whew, can't wait to this patched up. They're gonna get rid of that window, that door. They're gonna make this a nice solid piece right there. It's gonna be nice. God, it just looks like shit right now. But very excited. It's gonna get done. A lot of work. But I'm paying a good amount of money, so it's gonna be worth it when it's done. The house is gonna look really nice on the outside, hopefully. Get us to where we need to be. All right, what's going on, everybody? It's the end of the week. They've been working for, let's see, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Tuesday they didn't really get to do much because we didn't have any water for them to get for the outside, but that's what we got so far. They put a coat of primer on it. They taped up the windows. They still gotta take off some of those screws and nuts and stuff like that and repair some of the shingles down there. And of course the trim work has to be some repairs done to it, but not terrible, you know, not too shabby. All right, so let's get to it. They made some real good progress over here. That window's still there. What we did was we just put a piece of plywood over it and we took the window pane out, the bottom part of the window, so we could put the water and the electrical there, so they don't have to actually bother us if they need to get into the house. All they gotta do is unscrew it, and the water and electricity is right there for them. And then when they're done at the end of the day, they can seal that back up and we're good to go. But remember over here, that terrible door and that terrible window that was falling apart, gone. Pretty seamless at this point. You really couldn't tell unless you know where the door was, where that ramp is. But yeah, it's a very, very good job patching that up. And that's the rest of the house right there. So it's still rough. Still needs a lot of work to be done, but they're getting there. That door, a white door, is going to be replaced for a real door, which would be nice. We have access in and out of the basement, and some gutters and some work. So yeah, it's still progress. So week one, not too shabby. Got a lot done. And next week, I'm assuming we'll be doing more of the carpentry work. So we're going to get a lot of that molding and stuff fixed, and then we'll be putting the coat of paint on the house that the true color is. And then the gutters, and then we'll be done. We have a couple more weeks left, so this is good. It's right before we leave for our big vacation to Tennessee. We should be wrapping up, which would be nice. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe to keep any updates, and we'll see you guys soon. All right, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and click the alarm so whenever you get notification, we get new ones. See you later. Bye.